Selamat datang di channel saya.
Ya, halo bonsai lover, welcome to Gede Merta YouTube channel again.
Kita melanjutkan proses yang terdahulu.
I think you all have a remembering about this plants, and now Gede Merta want to continuing the programming of this plant.
Saya akan melakukan sekarang dengan cangkokan besar. Dan nanti kalau sudah terbentuk di atas, kita masuk pot sudah langsung jadi.
For this time, Gede Merta continuing by the big air layering. So that why Gede Merta do that. In the future, when this root growing, this automatically will be can more fast to be good bonsai.
Jadi kita tidak butuh waktu yang panjang untuk menyelesaikan sebuah bonsai.
So we don't need the long time to finish the bonsai, because Gede Merta directly put the small one like that from the ficus joining and directly in the big layering like this. This is a very interesting technique how to make the fast time. Because if you waiting the plant from the children plant, waiting until the big plant, maybe only your grandson maybe enjoying your bonsai. You cannot enjoy your bonsai because you know our age is only 100 years, so maybe if you can do that. So Gede Merta think about that and thinking how to make the bonsai in the fast time, so you can enjoying the bonsai in your life in the fast time.
Kita pakai stager untuk menahan bob berat cangkokan.
We use the stager like this, you see, like this. This is function to hold the so much air layering.
Semua kita pasang agak melengkung keluar sehingga nanti jadi akar yang kuat.
We need put the small plant little bit go to the rounding, so in the future we will have like old
buang penghalang.
we need to take out the not good branches or thing in the bonsai.
Terus lipat. Ya, satu lipat. Ya, kita mengikat dulu pertama, terus kita atur lagi.
Now first we tie this position to holding, and then we setting again. that position is very important because to be textured and root for the future.
Kita harus melakukan berulang kali sehingga apa yang kita inginkan bisa terwujud.
We need doing this again and again, so what our planning can come true.
Kita mulai mengikat agak ke bawah.
We need to tire in the little bit underside,
Ditarik secukupnya.
and we need to a little hole.
Ya, terus. Nah,
Ya.
Nah. Ini sengaja saya lepas untuk jadi cabang nanti.
You see this? This is a Gede Merta give free because in the future this is will be to be trunk and branches.
Dalam 4 tahun kita sudah punya bonsai bagus.
If you doing this technique, in the 4 years later you will have a good bonsai. Because this is a very
Ya,
fast time.
saya memilih red Ficus karena menurut saya pohon ini memiliki sesuatu yang lebih di daunnya.
Gede Merta choose the red ficus plant because Gede Merta see the potential of the leaf potential. Gitu.
Oh, ya kita ini waktu sudah melepas.
Yeah, you see this is like what Gede Merta tell you, one of small branch plant
Kita melepas lagi untuk persiapan cabang.
will be to be trunk and branches in the future. This, if you doing this technique directly will be have the branches or trunk
Kita melepas
which
lagi.
you want.
Ini
And Gede Merta divide again this so Gede Merta divide, starting dividing 3, 1, 2, 3.
Kita melepas lagi.
And we divide again the branches, one plant. We need to strong hold there.
Ujung tali harus ada yang dipegang kuat.
You see, this is very important because in the end of the rapia, we need like this to holding all part of the rapia.
Putar pengetingan tergini. Kita pecah. Ini lah di bawah. Kita akan memasukkan tanah.
Now we start add the soil. I think you very easy will be can doing this. This is a simple technique, but very functional to you bonsai lover, because you can make the
Ini ujung sama ujung kita harus
in the end of the this thing you need to do like this.
Ini sudah mulai gerimis.
Now in this time is the rainy already coming slowly.
Main lah. Kita sudah menunggu dia lengket, tinggal waktu yang menjadikan itu.
Well, all of us over in the world. Now we just need to waiting until this is good joining and to be one with the big bonsai, the big ficus.
Kita akan akhiri dulu untuk hari ini karena hujan lagi turun.
Now because the rain is already coming and Gede Merta finishing this video.
Bye bye.
And see you waiting for the next video.